Hi, my name is Maureen Cholton. Today, I would like you to join me having a virtual cup of coffee. In the UK, it was announced this morning that we've got another 3 weeks with lockdown. Groceries we can't get. We can't use public transport or anything. So yeah, one has to just go for it. So that's what I'm doing. So I don't know how much you can see. Hopefully it's being recorded and I'm sharing my desktop. So let's have a virtual cup of coffee. Well, coffee's a luxury here. You know, the prices have doubled even for the cheap coffee. So I'm just going to open up a new tab in Google and I'm just going to pop down here, coffee. And I want to find a picture of a cup of coffee. Oh, Kenko, that one I like, but that's £4.50 now. So I'm going to go to images and I want a cup of coffee. Oh, let's find a nice, juicy, wonderful cup of coffee. Oh, I'm gonna send you some love. I like love. So I'm now using another free tool because I like free tools. And this is Jing because I'm on a Mac. Grabber is another free tool you can use to do this. So I'm just going to grab this, capture my image, call it image coffee. With love. I like that. Coffee with love. That sounds pretty cool. Okay, so that's now been saved. So I'm going to close down that Google. And yeah, what am I going to do with this? Well, I'm going to do this live. I'm going to go to my Facebook page. So just type in Facebook. Go to my page. Is going to join me having the article coffee today. So just pop that in, photo, image, coffee with love. Go, so that's posted on Facebook. Post that live. And where else would I share it? I would go to my autoresponder. This is just an example, you know. And, you know, I use Senshark autoresponder, but you can use any autoresponder and it's pretty much the same. So I've already created a list in my autoresponder. So I can email them as often as I like, 3 or 4 times a day, but I don't do that. I probably do one a day, on a good day. So I'm just waiting to log in there. Tick tock, and I'm going to send it to my lead capture system, which is on autopilot. You don't need to know much here. So I've already got a list in there that's been created and I've added them on autopilot. Okay, so I'm going to send a message. Yeah. Sugar. I just hit my camera. I don't know if you can see me now. It's taken a while to log in today. Might be the time of day. It's actually midday here in the UK. So, broadcast. Notice I have multiple tabs open, so I'm sending messages out using the tool VMP. These are my email messages that are coming in, and that's when I do a bit of clicking. So in my broadcast message, which goes out to everybody that I select, I've already sent one out today, so I'm going to send them one. So we could have a bit of fun here, you know. We could do cups of coffee to each other, you know. Virtual cups of coffee. Let's see what's happening. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, yeah, I think the States are just woken up. So I'm just going to select all. Don't want 5, I don't want that. I don't want that. So I'm just going to do first name. Off it goes. Good morning. Ready to join me with VIR. Join me. Cuppa. Select all that. Come on, see. Pop it there. Ugh. Start today as we are now on lockdown for a further 3 weeks in the UK. However, let's have some fun. Join me for a cup of coffee. Ugh. I'm going to insert a picture there. I'm going to upload it because I just saved it. So image coffee with love. You know, seriously, we've got to have some fun. I don't want it to be that big, so I just want it to be 300. Okay. Love to see your pet. Hugs. Stay safe. Morning. Oh. Morning. I do feel like I'm going a bit mad now, you know, with this lockdown, I've got to say. And I'm used to like not seeing people, not going out, but it's not being able to get your groceries, and you know, if you need some painkillers, it's that I'm finding tough, really tough. But heck, you know, Layla and I are fine. So that's just being sent now. And you know, notice I'm not selling to these people. You know, I'm just showing them some love with a cup of coffee. And I'm going to hit the plus button, so that's thank you, and off it goes. And you know, do I mind if people don't open it? No, I just send it. Do I get opens? Oh yes. If I get 100 opens a day and then they've clicked my links, then I'm a happy bunny. So that's the kind of open rates you should be looking at. And it could take you ages, you know. It changes daily from what goes into spam and what doesn't. So that's gone now. I'm just going to give it a quick refresh just to doubly make sure I've learned to do that. Tick tock, tick tock. So I want to see your cup of coffee pictures. That'd be good. Okay, that's that done. And you can do that on any autoresponder tool. I mean, you can see that that's gone and it's just queuing right now. But you know, the one I sent earlier, a little reminder, I went to 6,000. I've had 10 opens so far and 6 clicks. You know, you can have 1,000 opens and no clicks, which is not so good. You know, so 10 opens when everyone's sleeping and I'm awake, I'm quite happy with, and I like the clicks. Anyway, I hope you found this useful. Need some help? Give me a shout out. What do I do now? Stop share. End meeting.